All right, this is now the fourth day of working on the drawing. It is January 24th, 2018. Yesterday I added a whole bunch of pieces of paper, including fragments of from a lino cut portrait I had done of Primo Levi called Primo Levi and the Stars, some of them titled Primo Levi and the Clouds, which after the fragments were added I went over with colored pencil and then with white gouache, which is like watercolor, G-O-U-A-C-H-E, gouache. So a lot to do yet to complete the figure. I was thinking I might draw the two larger sea monsters on the right there and on the left in kind of mosaic imagery style, similar to what I did of a lot of the background imagery in the Sightseeing with Dignity art series drawing of a Russian journalist who was murdered a few years ago, Anna Politkovskaya. Anyway, to be continued. That's the report for now.